Hi there. Today we're going to install the Style Drawer 24 blade from a company called Docking Drawer. This is a really handy solution. It allows you to install an outlet inside your drawer. In this case, I'm going to install it in a bathroom vanity to allow the use of hair dryers and other small appliances without having to clutter up the countertop. The instructions that come with the Style Drawer 24 blade are pretty straightforward. Pretty simple install process as it look through. I've already roughed in the electrical, so let's go into the bathroom and get it started. So here is where we're going to install the docking drawer. I've already taken out the drawer to show you that I've roughed in the electrical. Now I have to get it prepared to hook up to the docking drawer. I've already taken my drawer out, and I'd say it's about probably 10 to 12 inches high drawer. So it's a nice high drawer for this application. So I've installed a 90-degree connector and some armored cable for the connection. And additionally, I have cut a hole in the back of the drawer to accept the blade. Okay, I'm finalizing electrical connections here. The power is still off. So I have my 90-degree connector here going into the back of the blade. So I've made these connections here, and I'm going to put the cover plate back on and then mount it to the back of the cabinet box. All the electrical connections are now tightened up, cover plate's back on, and we're ready to install the outlet to the back of the drawer box to finish up the project. So we'll go ahead and put the drawer box back in and finish the installation of the outlet. And now that I have the blade installed in the back of the cabinet drawer, I'm going to attach it with these 4 screws. Okay, it's fully installed now. So the cover plate is back on in the back of the drawer box. All the electrical connections are back. Opens and shuts very easily. Now I'll go turn on the power and test her out. Okay, I'm going to test out, make sure the power is to the outlet. Power is back on. Plug in this hair dryer and test it out. Perfect. Pretty easy install with this docking drawer. Took about, I'd say, an hour and 20 minutes all in to get everything cut and installed. So overall, really easy project. Really happy I did it. Looking forward to years of use now with the docking drawer.